What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kay, back with another video for today. It is Wednesday. Tripping. It's Wednesday. Um, this video is gonna be a little late dropping, so I hope y'all are able to see it. And I was looking at another video that I was gonna do on CRN Conversation Rules the Nation, but my video kept getting, I don't know. We'll check that out though. But anyway, y'all, I wanted to talk about the girl that um shot her husband on live. So that kind of inspired me to write an article about jealousy and insecurity, because I think that's what it was for her. Because all that man wants to do is go to work. And it just shows, people can be jealous, in certain instances. Like, she thought that somebody was, he was dating, he was fucking with somebody else or whatever. I don't know. But still, that can lead to what it led to, really, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and share this article with you. And it's on my blog if you guys want to go and read it yourself. And it's on my blog at yagirlkanina.blogspot.com. You can go ahead and check it out. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to hear me. I don't know. I sound loud but low. All right, so this is dealing with jealousy and insecurity in relationships. Jealousy and insecurity are common emotions that can arise in any relationship. While it is natural to feel these emotions from time to time, they can become problematic if they are not dealt with in a healthy way. Unresolved jealousy and insecurity can lead to distrust, conflict, and even the breakdown of the relationship. Therefore, it is important to learn how to deal with these emotions in a constructive way. So, looking at that girl, she wasn't dealing with her emotions at all, and her mom was the main one that, was just miking her up to harm this guy. So the first step in dealing with jealousy and insecurity is to identify the root cause of these emotions. Find out where this emotion is coming from, what is going on. Often jealousy and insecurity stem from a fear of loss, a lack of trust, or feelings of inadequacy. It is important to take time to reflect on what is causing these emotions and to communicate these feelings with your partner in an open and honest way. Being vulnerable and sharing your fears with your partner can help you build trust and intimacy in the relationship. While also allowing for constructive communication around the issue. So, you need to get to the root of the problem. If you are experiencing this type of, issue, you're experiencing jealousy you don't know where it's stemming from, then go get to the cause of it and go from there. But what you don't do is harm a person, or don't cause harm to yourself as well, So let's see where it says Another important step in dealing with jealousy and insecurity is to focus on building self esteem and self confidence. Often, jealousy and insecurity can arise from feelings of inadequacy or a belief that one's partner may find someone else more attractive or interesting. So, by working on building self esteem and self confidence, individuals can develop a stronger sense of self worth and reduce feelings of jealousy and insecurity. This may involve practicing self care, setting achievable goals, and seeking support from friends or a therapist. Communication is also key in dealing with jealousy and insecurity in relationships. It is important to communicate openly and honestly with your partner about your emotions and to listen to their perspective as well. It is important to avoid blaming or accusing your partner, as this can lead to defensiveness and conflict. Instead, try to approach the conversation with a non-judgmental and compassionate attitude and work together to find solutions that address both partners' needs. Finally, it is important to set boundaries and establish healthy relationship norms. This may involve setting boundaries around social media use, spending time with friends of the opposite sex, or discussing expectations around communication and exclusivity. Establishing healthy relationship norms can help reduce feelings of jealousy and insecurity, as both partners have clear understanding of what is and is not acceptable in the relationship. So, in conclusion, dealing with jealousy and insecurity in relationships requires a combination of self-reflection, self-care, communication, and boundary setting. It is important to identify the root cause of these emotions, work on building self-esteem and self-confidence, communicate openly and honestly with your partner, and establish a healthy relationship norm. By taking a proactive and compassionate approach to dealing with these emotions, individuals can build strong and fulfilling relationships based on trust, respect, and mutual understanding. Okay. So, with that being said, um, you have to build trust in your relationship with your partner if this is the person that you plan on being with. Because shit happens like this, and then, you want to like, people want to cry. Because at the end of the day, this is the person that you plan on being with. So you don't cause harm to the person that you're with, regardless of what they're doing that might make you mad or whatever. So anyway, this is your girl Kanina, and thanks for watching. Had to go back to my screen. I'm like, shit, y'all. All right, so make sure you guys go. If you guys want to read over this blog as well for your own, you can go to my blog. It's posted down below in the description. So you guys can go there and check out behind the scenes. You guys can go there and read the blogs that we have there. There's ways of you that you can contact me, and my other sites where I can be reached. Everything's gonna be there. So go there, click the link, and make sure you follow there as well. If you go to my blog, make sure you follow there as well. And thanks for watching.